Welsh Government want to make autism services in Wales better. We've put together a code of practice to say how autism services should work and what types of services should be available for autistic people. The code is split into 4 sections that explain how autism services should be organised. Each chapter explains what autistic people should expect from local authorities, local health boards and NHS trusts. Chapter 1. Assessment and Diagnosis. This section explains how people can get an autism assessment. What techniques are useful to identify and diagnose autism, and what support people can expect during this process. Chapter 2. How people get health and social care support. This is about how people diagnosed with autism can access different support, like health and social care services. It outlines how these services must meet the needs of autistic people. Chapter 3. Raising awareness and training. We want to make sure people understand autism and how it affects someone's life. This part of the code covers the importance of raising awareness and what training is needed for staff who deliver services for autistic people. Chapter 4. Planning and checking services and involving people. Local authorities and health boards must plan and run services to meet the needs of autistic people in their area. They must all work together to find out what those needs are, while ensuring that autistic people are involved when these services are developed. Welsh Government is asking everyone to let us know their views on the code and its guidance in a public consultation. We want you to have your say in autism services. For more information, please visit our website.